What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing another wash and go. You guys enjoyed the last one I did with Eco Style Gel, so I want to go ahead and do another combo with Eco Style. So I thought about using another leave-in cream combo, but when I was looking through my creams and everything, I was like, which one do I want to use? Anyway, I came across this She Scented Moroccan Gold 2-in-1 Styling Souffle. So I decided to use this because this is a leave-in conditioner and a styling cream. So this was over on my shelf. You know, She Scented sent me a lot of stuff, so I broke into it. It smells okay. It just has a light scent to it, maybe a vanilla scent, and not vanilla like in the vanilla that you smell in fragrances, but more like a vanilla icing. You know what I'm saying? It has kind of like a little scent like that to me, I guess. But because it's a 2-in-1, I said, well, let me try this out. Because it's a cream, I'm thinking, okay, it's a little bit thicker leave-in, and then it's going to double as a styling cream as well. So hopefully it'll help with some curl definition. So we'll see. So this is the texture. Okay, so it is a little bit thicker, and I don't know, it seems to have soaked into my hair quite nicely. I put it in the shower like I always do, so we're going to see how that works out. So I still have a lot left. So that's in my hair now, and then I'm just going to go right in with the Eco. I'm not going to put anything in between it because, again, this is a 2-in-1. So we're going to see just how moisturizing this particular leave-in styling cream is. And my hair feels really good. It feels moisturized. It looks nice and dark. And it does already have a little bit of definition to it. So let's go ahead and just start applying it. And guys, I'm going to part my hair a little bit differently because I want to get rid of this middle part. So I'm just going to try to go straight across and see how that works, you guys. I tried this one other time and then forgot. When you're in the habit of doing stuff a certain way, you just kind of keep doing it that way. So I'm just going to try to go ahead and just add the Eco to this whole section. Okay, so let me dip in here. This is kind of a big section all the way across my head, so I'm going to get about that much Eco. I'm gonna put it on this whole section back here. Get a little bit more. I'm just gonna make sure I get those ends because I want my ends covered. And let me get the root. And guys, I hope this combination does not flake. Hope this combination does not flake. So far, so good. I'm gonna break this into 3 sections. Get a little bit of gel. Well, that may have been a lot to some people. Middle section. Guys, I don't see how you do your hair in the middle, going straight back like I'm doing, trying not to have a part in the middle, doing it like this. Just seems like I'm stretching my arms a lot. I don't know, maybe because I'm not used to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and just break it up a little bit. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to continue all over my head and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, guys, so I got it all applied and this is my hair. Looks like it soaked in quite nicely. I don't see a lot of white sitting on top or anything, so hopefully this is a really good combination. Hopefully this gives enough moisture under this where I still get a lot of definition, but I get soft hair but defined hair. The last time I used this, when I used it with the I think I used it with the Irish Moss cream, my hair was really soft but it was defined and it lasted 5 days. And it was so defined that I actually could have went a good 7 days. It was still moisturized, but because I had somewhere to go, I wanted to go ahead and just change, go ahead and wash my hair. And I don't like to go past 5 days because, tangles and things of that sort and a lot of shed hair. But it definitely could have lasted a good 7 days or longer. So hopefully this one will do the same. Still got a lot left. So still got, a few more uses out of this. And yeah, guys, this is it. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer and let my hair dry, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like, and we'll talk about this combination, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, so my hair is dry and I am going to stretch it a little bit and we're gonna see how it looks. Now, I will say that it does feel like it has a little bit more of a cast than it did the last time. And it also looks a lot shinier to me right now. So we'll see if it keeps the shine once I stretch it. Yeah, so anyway, give me a moment. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I am back. I did a little bit of stretching, but not a lot. I will say with this Eco Gel, what I'm finding, and I think I said it in the previous video, I can't remember, but if I didn't, I meant to, is that when I go to stretch with this, it's so funny. Sometimes, first what I'll do is I'll just take my hair and I'll just pull on it and it breaks the cast. For me, it breaks the cast. And then I really don't have to use my blow dryer to stretch with this that I found. And I don't remember being able to do that in the past. Now, it could be that the hold has changed on this. I don't know, but that's what I did the last time. And then I just went in a little bit more and stretched it. I think I did say it in the video, just to try to give it a little bit of height because my hair is so flat. did the same thing this time. I just kind of pulled on it, broke the cast, it fluffed out a little bit, and then I just went in and tried to get a little bit of height right here, which didn't work. So I'm gonna let it just continue to get bigger on its own, which is what I did last time. And it got a little bit bigger, but it was slow going. And the definition, as you can see, was the same all the way up until day 5. And that's why I said I could go some multiple days with it. So anyway, just wanted to let y'all know that that's what's happening with me. So how do I feel about this combination? I like it. I didn't have any dusting at all, and it could be because I just used 2 products last time. I had a little bit of dusting at first, but it went away. But I used 3 products. I just used the 2. My hair feels good. It feels soft. I'll have to tell you about the moisture later if it lasts. Right now it feels moisturized. I'm hoping that it'll last. I think that it will. I will say that it is rainy here right now, so that would definitely have something to do with it. If it continues to rain the next couple days and I go out, that's going to affect the moisture in my hair. So the moisture will be, you know, getting into my hair from the humidity. However, we'll see how this holds up to the rain as far as definition is concerned. But right now, I like the products. And look at my hair, guys. It's growing. Here's that long part in the back that is coming back that I always cut off or try to. And then I end up cutting the rest of it. I'm not going to cut it. This long part in the front is starting to come back. I'm not going to cut it. We're going to see what happens. But anyway, I like this. And this video is for those of you who like this flat look, who likes more definition, who wants to go a little bit more affordable route with the gel, because I'm always doing fluffy wash and goes. And I know some of you are like, I like a little bit more definition. What gels work and what leave-ins work that I can get more definition and more longevity? Okay. This is one of them. So again, this is the She Scented Moroccan Gold 2-in-1 Styling Souffle. Don't remember what the price is on this because like I said, I want a giveaway. So she sent me a lot of stuff. But I will try to put the price down in the description box for you. You'll have to order this, but then it works well with the Eco. The other one that I used, I'll put right here. That one was a good one too, where I used Nature's Little Secret with the Eco. Really good wash and go. Had a little bit of dusting the first day, but the second day, nothing. The third day, nothing, and so on, nothing. So I used 3 products though, so you probably don't have to do that. But I do want to let you know that the more products you use, you might get a little bit more buildup or whatever, maybe, who knows. But anyway, these are 2 that I can tell you that gives me this flat, defined look. My hair still looks shiny. It looks healthy. So I like it. And let's go ahead and continue on this series. So I think that I'm going to go ahead and continue to use the Eco Gel in my next few wash and go videos and just pair it with different things to give you all a good idea of what the Eco Olive Oil Gel works with on my hair. So hopefully it'll work the same on yours. But again, y'all got to keep that into consideration. This is how it works on my hair in my climate and with my wash day products and all that kind of stuff. If you want to know what I use to wash with, I clarified my hair with the Texture ID clarifying shampoo. Then I went in with the Texture ID 3x moisture conditioner to detangle. I did not follow up with a moisturizing shampoo because in my opinion, that Texture ID clarifying shampoo is moisturizing enough for me, and I don't feel like I need it. I don't feel like my cuticles are raised, my hair doesn't feel rough and all that kind of stuff. So I just bypassed the moisturizing shampoo this time, went right in with the 3x moisture conditioner, which is a rinse out conditioner. You can use it as a leave-in. It's on my favorites, so if you went to my favorites, you will see it there. As far as my favorite conditioners, use that to detangle my hair, rinse that out. Then I went in with the Nature's Little Secret Agave Nectar Moisturizing Treatment as my deep conditioner. Set with heat and rinsed it out, and then I went in with this as my leave-in and this as my gel, and that's what I got. So if you notice, I used a moisturizing clarifying shampoo, I used a moisturizing rinse out conditioner, I used a very moisturizing deep conditioner, and then I used these two, and I was hoping that this Moroccan souffle would be moisturizing, and obviously it was, because I'm using a harder holding gel. So I went in with a lot of moisturizing products, in my opinion. This Eco Gel is a level 10, so it's supposed to be the hardest hold. And I do want to let you know that it does have some protein in it. I believe it's hydrolyzed wheat protein, yes, in it. So there you go. So with that being said, yeah, I just wanted to use more moisturizing products for my wash day, and then this is what I got. So I like it so far. I'm going to come back on day 3 and let you see how it's holding up. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, I'm popping in to show you my 4th day hair using the Eco Style Gel and the She Scented 2-in-1 Styling Souffle. So this is what my hair looks like, and it's been out in the weather, blown, because we were just getting back in from church, and we just changed clothes because we're going to go back out and look at some Christmas lights. But yeah, wanted to get on, I almost forgot, so I wanted to get on and show you. So I do have a little bit of halo frizz up top, but I still have a whole lot of definition, as you can see. Still a whole lot of body, and I got the volume that I like. So I like the combination. I didn't get any flaking or anything. My hair still feels moisturized. I will say that I think that the Nature's Little Secret combination was a little bit more moisturizing and softening than this, but this is still moisturizing. So I did moisturize my hair on day 3 because it's very cold here, and like I said, this to me felt like it needed a little bit of help, because I did have more of a cast with just these 2 products versus using the 3 products in the previous one. So I do want you to know that. So I don't want to say that this is bad or it's not moisturizing. It is, but the other combo worked better because I used a leave-in and a cream and then the gel, where this I used just this as my leave-in. Okay, so I yeah, didn't get the same amount of moisture, but I did, like I said, add moisture, which was the Curl Origin Moisture Milk. You guys know that I just scrunched that in and went out about my day into the elements and everything. And today I didn't do anything but just fluff it up, and it is very moisturized today, very soft today, very movable today. And I'm good with it, and I actually could keep this for another couple days if I wanted to, and I just may, I don't know, I have to look at my schedule, but you guys know I don't usually like to go past 5 days, so technically I would be washing it tomorrow, and I still may, if I don't do it tomorrow, I'm definitely going to probably do it Tuesday, because I do think that I have an appointment tomorrow on the books if it doesn't get canceled. So yeah, I may have to go ahead and keep this for tomorrow and then wash it the next day, but I'm not mad at it. I like it. So yeah, just wanted to come on and show you 4th day hair. So tomorrow will be fit. Oh, today is 4th day hair, so tomorrow is 5th day. So yeah, I'll probably keep it 6 days, and you can look at it and see that it definitely could go 7 days if need be. So there you go. Let me know what you think about my 4th day hair. Now back to the video. So guys, yeah, let me know what you think about this wash and go. Let me know what you use the Eco with. Leave it in the comment section below so we all can learn from you. Let me know if you'll try this combo that I just gave you. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.